Hey guys, today I want to present to you this really nice little jump scare. Okay, to build this thing you need these blocks. You need one command block for the sound and 12 blocks and one staircase for these. This could be any other blocks, but yes, I take this block. So first you start to build the entrance. So then the staircase comes here, stair block, and then here two blue eyes. Now you have to put the so that you can't see the blue eyes. Here we put a button. Okay. Now we take here two blocks and go here one block up. Now we have to take one redstone dust here and one redstone dust here. And the redstone repeater comes to here. Okay. Now here comes sticky piston and the slime block. Now we have this. This is the launching mechanism. Okay. And now we have to put here one command block. For these people, they don't know how to become a command block. You have to write here give. And now you play a name. And now just command block. You can see give command block 1 2 first zoomer. Okay. Now you have to write in the command block play sound. Play sound mob point enderman point death. Add player. This 100. And now you can hear the Enderman dying. Okay. Now you have to put here the ammo stand and equip him or it. And the sword. And now the jump scare is ready. If you want, you can build this skeleton too. You can make another sound effect if you want. It sounds so. To make this sound effect, you have to make the command block on a repeat command, and you have to enter play sound, but mob point, gust point, scream, and the rest is the same. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.